Welcome to 1880s, when two great minds sparked a revolution in electricity, Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison. In this video, we dive into one of the greatest rivalries in the history of science and technology, the War of Currents. My name is Troubleshooter and welcome to my channel. Let's start. Let's dig up into the history of electricity. The invention of DC current is closely tied with the early development of electrical technology in the 19th century. In 1800, Alexander Volta invents the voltaic pile. This was the first true battery capable of producing steady DC current. It marked the beginning of practical electrical generation using DC. In 1820 to 1830, André-Marie Ampère and Georg Ohm developed fundamental laws of electric current and resistance, laying foundation of DC circuit theory. In 1831, Michael Faraday's discovery of electromagnetic induction led to the first electric generators, but they initially produced DC. From here enters Thomas Edison. He develops the first commercial DC power system. Edison used DC to power lights and appliances in homes and streets. His Pearl Street station in New York in 1882 was the first electric power station to supply DC electricity to multiple buildings. On the other side, Tesla was working in Paris with the Continental Edison Company. There he gained a great deal of practical experience in electrical engineering. The management noticed his skills in physics and they gave him work related to designing and developing dynamo and motors. In 1884, Tesla arrived in USA through his Edison manager Charles Batchelor, who was very impressed in his works and gave the duty to manage Edison machine work. It's a manufacturing division situated in New York City. Edison hired Tesla to repair and improve DC generators. Tesla worked long hours and made significant improvements to Edison's dynamo. Edison allegedly promised Tesla $50,000 if he could redesign the generators for better efficiency. Tesla succeeded, but when he asked for the reward, Edison reportedly replies, "Tesla, you don't understand our American humor." This was one of the factors made him resign from his company. Soon after, he met investors and developed his alternating current system. In 1887, Tesla developed an induction motor that ran on AC, a power system format that was rapidly expanding in Europe and the United States because of its advantages in long-distance high-voltage transmission. Here enters George Westinghouse, who was a successful investor and industrialist, who was at the same period was interested in new inventions of AC system. He believed Tesla AC system was superior to Edison's DC and had the resources to build a nationwide AC power grid. In 1888, Westinghouse bought the rights to Tesla's AC patents for $60,000, plus a royalty of $2.50 per horsepower of electricity sold using Tesla's tech. When the AC inventions happened, Edison saw it as a direct threat to his business empire. If AC won, his entire DC business model would collapse. So he took several aggressive and shocking steps to try to eliminate AC. He launched a fear campaign and he warned that high voltages AC lines could kill people easily. Which technically was true, but he exaggerated the danger and downplayed DC risks. He pushed for laws that made it harder for them to expand their AC networks, and also he secretly supported the use for the first electric chair execution in 1890. But due to various advantages of AC system, it became superior in terms of DC. DC work only for short range of power. So in order to power an entire city, it needs a power station every few blocks, which in turn is more expensive and impractical. So cities and companies preferred AC because it saved money, and also Tesla's induction motor, transformer and polyphase AC system were game changers. In 1893 Chicago World Fair, Tesla and Westinghouse won the contract for the power generation. They built their first large-scale hydroelectric AC power plant at Niagara Falls. It successfully transmitted electricity 25 miles to Buffalo, New York. This impressed the public and proved AC was safe and reliable. This project sealed the fate of DC, and AC became the global standard. The War of Currents was more than a clash of wires, it was a battle of vision. Edison also invented many devices, like phonograph, motion pictures, and the first electric light system. He was also a master of invention. But Tesla, the visionary genius, gave us the alternating current, the system that powers the world today. But in the end, both men shaped the modern age. One lit the spark, and the other made it travel across the world. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more information and troubleshooting videos. Till then, bye.